Hey, Levi here at Mopar 2024. We're out here with my 67 Barracuda slowback at the autocross. Can't wait to see what this Barracuda will do, especially with our new Street Connection suspension.
Hey, this is Carter with HammerFab, and left off in the last video with the front stiffening plates, and we have both of those welded in now, and we are ready to move on to the next section. And what we are doing now is going to be installing these frame boxing plates on the front frame where we cut it. And what this is going to do is provide stiffness, rigidity, and improve the overall look. These are laser cut out of 12 gauge steel, pre-bent, to fit the contours of the frame. There will be some grinding and fitting on your original frame to make these fit nice. So we're going to climb inside and get these welded in. So what you need to do to the front frame cap is you're going to grind it all flat on the top. That's pretty much it. For the rear frame boxing plate, there is a little more grinding required. Over the front area towards the C-notch, you'll need to grind both edges so that they are flush with each other and smooth. Once you get that done, you're going to need to grind both of the edges here on the frame flat. While doing this, you should always be taking your part, placing it, checking what's needed to grind, pulling it out, and proceeding to grind more if necessary. Once you have completed, it should fit something like this. First thing you're going to want to do is get 4 good tacks on each part. Then you're ready to weld.